Sian,
What?
I ate all your Halloween candy.
I'm just doing nothing.
Well, I ate all of your candy. It was yummy.
I'm tired.
Are you mad at me?
Huh?
Are you gonna be mad at me?
No, I'm just tired.
You're just tired? But I ate all your candy. What are you gonna do?
I'm tired.
Is it okay that I ate all your candy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you're not mad?
I love you, Mom.
Oh, I love you too. Mwah. Jimmy Kimmel told me to say that.
Cool. That my friend?